family? Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. As you know, every month at the end of the month, we go ahead and do a update on my Roth IRAs, and I've already done an update on my Vanguard IRA. So here is my M1 Finance IRA. We won't be talking about the mini brokerage that I have in this account today. But as you can see today, we're at $7,920.67. Now, what's funny about this is yesterday we did reach the milestone of $8,000 in this account. And today it just happened that, it just so happened that we are down today. So, that's just something that happens in the market. You'll have good days and bad days. I don't consider them bad days when, the value drops though, because, that is an opportunity to go ahead and buy at a discount. It's a little less free flow if you have an IRA, because there is that $6,000 annual contribution limit, but you get the point. If you haven't already, if you would just take a moment to go and smash that like button and hit the subscribe button, that would be really awesome. Letting the YouTube algorithm know that this is a channel that's worth watching also helps the community grow. But if we, just look over a period of time, as you can see, we started this account back in December 3rd of 2019, and we had transferred this money from Wealthfront, which was a company that kind of allocates everything on their own. And so we were just letting that happen. But the transfer happened from Wealthfront. I think we were over $3,000 when we started the transfer, and it took about a month for the transfer to go ahead and go through and have all the money settle. And so we were down hitting this account. But over time, as you can see, we had some fluctuations, and over time it just started to grow a little bit. But then, February 21st hit, February 24th hit, and we started to decrease because of the shutdown news and the pandemic and all that's coming to that. And so right here was our lowest point at $2,135.28 on March 23rd of 2020. Now, let's just say that I panicked and I, sold my position. I would have lost over $800 in this account. And this is why you long-term hold and buy, or buy and hold, because, eventually the market will recover. Now, for us to recover fully, it took about 3 months for us to get back to that position, or over that position that we brought this money into the M1 Finance account. So it took about 3 months, but it was totally worth it. And then, we started to pull away in August and start to actually make some significant gains. And then we had a little bit of a drop back in September. So the whole month of September and through mid-October, we were under where we had previously been. But then right here on October 15th is when I decided to contribute another $3,000 into the account. And so that, made us leap to $6,451.65. And then, we had another decent drop up until about November 2nd, when we started to climb back up. And of course, it's been nothing but a steady uphill walk ever since. And so now we're at that $7,920.67, getting as high as, let's see if it'll show me, getting as high as about, it said $7,979.04. Now, you might say, Mike, that's not $8,000 value. Well, you have to add in the cash balance, because they don't add in the cash balance to the portfolio. And so that's where the other $20 would come from. But everything is invested in this VTI total stock market ETF. And so it's done nothing but great numbers for us since we've had it. It's up about 49.14%. And, it's about a $217 and $217.10 ETF right now. Now we bought at an average price of $166.24, which cost us about $6,065.18. But we have 36 and a half shares. So we're really happy with what's going on here. So with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would just take a short moment to go ahead and smash the like button, hit the subscribe, that would be really awesome. If you want to comment down below and let me know what you thought of my video and my Roth IRA, that would be really awesome as well. And if you want to never miss out on any videos that I post on this channel, make sure you smash that notification bell so you can go ahead and be a part of that. But with that said, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.